She's bossy, I know. Huh.
Oh.
Look at that. She's like, no, listen. You, me, prom. No? I think he said no. Oh, this is just my toy. Damn it. I better update toys at my house because this is crazy. Oh. What's he doing to you?
He's stroking her hair.
What you keep doing another stinky?
Oh, that's so funny. Oh.
This will make, yeah, Lori will be over here in like 10 minutes because she couldn't take it. Oh, a plate. Oh. This is Susan. Hey, Rachel, what's going on?